Hi everyone. Welcome to Lispend Campus. 10 sentence every day, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. Let's get started. 1. How's the weather today? Key phrase, how's the weather? This is how you ask about the current weather conditions. 2. Are you free tomorrow? Key phrase, are you free? This is a way to ask if someone is available at a certain time. 3. Can I get a discount? Keyword, discount. This refers to a reduction in the price of something. 4. Where can I find a taxi? Keyword, find. This means to discover or locate something. Taxi. A car that you pay to drive you to a place. 5. How long does it take? Key phrase, how long. This is a way to ask about the duration of something. 6. Do you want to go shopping? Key phrase, go shopping. This is a common phrase for visiting stores to buy items. 7. I need a few minutes. Key phrase, a few minutes. This is a way to express a short amount of time needed. 8. Can I have the check, please? Key phrase, the check. This refers to the bill or receipt you receive after dining in a restaurant. 9. Where can I buy tickets? Keyword, buy. This means to pay money in exchange for something. Tickets. A piece of paper or card that gives you permission to attend an event. 10. Would you like some water? Key phrase, would you like? This is a polite way to offer someone something. These are 10 everyday phrases you can hear and use in real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The breeze carries whispers, the stars softly glow. A rhythm eternal, only we know. Your hand in mine, the world melts away. Each step we take, the music leads our way. The congas are echo, the horns start to sing. In this sacred moment, we feel everything. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passion's laid bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. Your smile ignites like a spark in the dark. Each motion a story, each glance a new spark. The melody wraps us like waves on the sea, bound by the rhythm, just you and me. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. The music speaks truths no words can convey. In your arms I'm home, where I long to stay. Let the rhythm guide us as stars lead the way. Our hearts are the music that will never stray. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. As the night fades, the rhythm will remain, a love everlasting in this sweet refrain.